Are we on the record?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we're on the record. This is Marion County Superior Court D27. Good morning. Are you Ms. Stapp, S-T-A-P-P?
Yes.
Okay. What's your date of birth, ma'am?
2193.
All right, I'm here to tell you what the state of Indiana has charged you with, the classifications, as well as a reading of your constitutional rights, okay? All right, state charged you with 1 count of child sexual trafficking. That's a level 2 felony. Penalty is 10 to 30 years and fines up to $10,000. I have read the affidavit of probable cause. I do find probable cause for your arrest. I'll be entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Please be advised, when the state of Indiana has charged you with criminal offenses, you have certain constitutional rights. You have the right to a public and speedy trial by jury, the right to cross-examine and confront your accusers, to subpoena witnesses on your own behalf at no cost if you could not afford to do so, the privilege against self-incrimination, the right to an attorney, and the right to bond. Your bond has been set at $200,000 surety. My next question to you, ma'am, is do you have any funds in which to hire private counsel? Do you have any money to hire an attorney? I can't hear you.
No.
Okay. We have to use our words because we're always being recorded, okay? Could you raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how old are you?
32.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I stay at home and take care of my kids.
Okay. So you're a stay-at-home mom?
Yeah.
How many children do you have?
7.
You have 7 children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you married?
No.
All right. How do you support yourself?
I get help from my parents.
Okay. Are your parents here today?
Yes, they are.
Okay. All right. And other than your parents, do you get any other kind of assistance financially?
Government assistance. On the sidelines, I use my mom's DoorDash account. I created an Instacart where you go shopping and you
Sure.
deliver.
Okay.
But that's what I do for money.
Okay. Approximately how much money do you earn then therefore, including government assistance and your side jobs, do you earn per week?
As of right now, nothing. I have not worked in quite some time since DCS removed the kids in December. I fell into deep depression.
Okay.
I just got the kids back a month ago.
Okay. Do you does your parents wish to hire a private attorney for you? They don't have to, but if they have the funds and they choose to, I will allow them to do that. Mom, Dad, no? Okay. All right. Ms. Stapp, I'm going to find you indigent, and I'm going to appoint an attorney from the Marion County Public Defender Agency. We have an attorney sitting next to you. Sir, who can help this woman?
That will be me, Your Honor.
Okay, excellent. All right, so we're going to appoint you to Mr. Comerford, and he's going to meet with you in private and discuss your case in private from here on out. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Omnibus date? September 9th?
Yes.
September 9th, 2025, pretrial conference?
September 15th at 9 a.m. remote.
September 15th, 2025, 9 a.m. remote. All right, last issue of business. State of Indiana asked me to issue a no contact order that should be in front of you, forbidding you to have any contact with an Avery Stapp and an Emerson Stapp. Do you know who those individuals are?
My daughter.
Those are 2 of your 7 children? Okay. I am going to grant that motion. What that means is by signing this document, you're merely agreeing that I have in fact told you here in open court and on the record, you are forbidden to have any contact with those children. Okay? It's not necessarily forever, but I'm just doing it while this case proceeds and both parties can begin their investigation. All right, by signing this order, you can't have any direct contact or indirect contact. Direct contact means you can't call them, write them, text message them, Facebook them, things of that nature. Indirect is that you can't have a third person, like your mother, brother, cousin, try to reach out to them and give them any kind of communication. That would be a violation as well. Do you understand that? Also, pursuant to federal law, when there's a no contact order in existence, you're forbidden to have any firearms, deadly weapons, or ammunition. Do you have any of those things?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because if you did, I would have to order you to get rid of them. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. Once again, Mr. Comerford bonds $200,000 surety.
Yes, Judge. We'd ask
Okay.
for a bond review, please.
Okay. Would you like that in person?
Yes, please.
All right. bond review?
July 15th at 1 p.m.
All right, July 15th, 2025 at 1 p.m. bond review. Once again, Omnibus 9/9/2025, pretrial conference 9/15/2025, 9 a.m. remote. First things first, we'll see you next week for a bond review with your attorney, okay? All right, thank you, ma'am.
State of Indiana versus Anzia Crenshaw, 49227-2507-TN-020817.
According to what I heard about this woman, it seemed like she got like 6 to 7 kids. And according to what I heard, if it's true, I guess it's true, this woman is a terrible person. Like, this woman is a terrible, terrible person. And situations like this do happen a lot. And women get away with this shit a lot. We don't talk about the situation so many times. It's because, when it involves women, we choose to ignore the situation. It ain't because this shit don't happen. It ain't because women don't do the shit. It's just when women do the shit, it's not being publicized. Because if you remember a few months ago, maybe years, this dude, I forgot what his name is, Tate, yeah, the Tate brothers, when they're like, being accused of trafficking and all this shit, it was worldwide news. Like, everybody heard about it. Like, everybody heard about it. But when situations like this happen, when a woman like this got 6 kids and traffic all her kids for $400 each kid, you don't hear stories like this. You gotta dig deep to find stories like this. You don't hear stories like this in the news. You don't hear it on BBC, whatever. You don't hear nothing about things like this. They just bury it. I can make series of videos like this of a lot of women, sexually abusing kids in high school or doing dumb shit like this. But you don't hear nothing about it. If it's a woman, you don't hear nothing about it. But if it's a man, it's everywhere. Everywhere. It's been publicized everywhere. And I don't understand why the media is like this. I don't understand why, this news people tend to do something like this. Because I think, according to my knowledge, there's this propaganda going on where you're just trying to paint men as the bad people. So any little thing a man does is being publicized. It's all over the news. All over the news. But we forget there's other side of that coin, which is a woman. Women do crazy, stupid shit just as men do. It's just women that look like, people see women as this, innocent and this gentle soul, where they can't do no wrong. But women is just as fucked up as men. They're just as fucked up as men. It's just we choose to ignore a lot of shit they do. This woman is selling, trafficking a child for $400 each. And these are kids, by the way. These are not grown adults, females. These are kids. Someone like this should be in the news, worldwide news. But we ain't never gonna hear about it. It's just buried somewhere. It's just buried. And when we try to talk about it, we get a strike. Or when we try to talk about it, they don't put it out there for people to learn about it, to see about it. You just, bury the videos or bury the news articles like it never existed. This is crazy because what this women just did, if a man did the same thing, if we switch the sex right now, put a man in our position, it's gonna be spread everywhere. Everyone is gonna hear about it. Everyone is gonna talk about it. We're never gonna stop talking about it. This is a bad woman. This woman should be locked up forever. I also heard, there's a $200,000 bond on her, which means, she could get away with it. She could literally get away with it. But anyway, guys, let me know what y'all think about this shit, man, in the comment section, man. Please like and subscribe, man. We're gonna keep talking about stuff like this, even though, my channel is not, it's growing, but it's not doing pretty well right now. I'm gonna keep uploading videos like this, and I'm gonna keep uploading several videos about, what's going on, and so I hope y'all stay with me. Please like and subscribe. I'm out here.